Hey guys, got the old Farmall H out, just doing a little bit of baling with, I have an old IH 430 small square baler, and the H actually handles it pretty well on flat ground. The windrows are pretty small. If you get into the thick windrows, it'll start to, basically it won't pull the knot off the bill hook on the left side, just because I'm guessing something's either worn out or out of adjustment, so you miss some bales. But normally just have to clean the string off the bill hook and you're good to go to start going. I don't normally use this tractor just because it's only, I think, around probably 20 to 25 horsepower. The engine in it was rebuilt not too long ago, but it's still definitely not ideal, especially with how high up the drawbar is on it. But for that little horsepower, it does a good job.